All right, good morning. And it's time. Time for what? Time to get this tub here onto that trailer there. Let's get to it. So we're moving the tub because I need to have access to the frame so that I can get it cleared up, that we can run exhaust from the front to the back. I mocked up a gas tank, so basically I just need to get this off of here so I can have easy access to do everything underneath it. So we're gonna do the slip yoke eliminator, we're gonna do the gas tank, fuel lines, the rear brake lines, paint, fix the rear shackles, like all the stuff that'll be a lot easier without the tub on it. So
okay. Are you going to be bed lining underneath as well as the inside?
yeah, so once we get the frame done, I'll probably have all you guys come back over and we'll put the tub inside the garage again, and I'll fix the floors. I'm gonna bed line the bottom of it, do all that good stuff, or probably just do an undercoating, not like a true bed liner.
Okay.
Because they said the bed liner will trap moisture and stuff potentially, and I don't want to do that, so it'll probably just be a painted bottom, and then we'll put it back on, and I've got new bushings, body bushings and all that stuff. So
sweet. That'll make it a heck of a lot easier to reach everything, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Running exhaust is never fun.
no. So, and I'll be doing this one myself, so that'll be good. But
yeah, did I just invoice you, or how am I getting paid?
yeah, I mean,
breakfast at least.
Yeah, breakfast. Yeah, I'll hook you up.
Okay.
So next time you're over, I'll do something for you.
Sounds like an IOU.
These bolts. So I did think, I was really looking forward to thinking it was only going to be like a few bolts, but it's going to be 2, 4, 5, 6 per side. So it's going to be 12 bolts to get the body off. 5/8 bolt. They look really nice. They've been well maintained, you can tell. And that's where we're at right now. I'm going to get both these pulled off. Jared's over on the other side. If you pan under there, he's really getting after it this morning. The only other thing to note too, and I'm sure if you're getting this far, you're that smart, but this last body bolt is actually hidden like up in the frame here. So I don't know if you'll be able to see it from that angle, but the only thing important to note is they did put a strategic hole here so that this will slide up and then you can get that body mount off far more easily than using like a wrench and trying to get it up in there. So if you're wondering how to get that last body mount off, there it is. That's the trick. So. And this one should come right out as well. So there we go. I've got my side done. Always beating Jared to it, that's for sure.
Hey, I was supervising originally, okay?
Probably just have to take the Sawzall and cut it from the top. So I think he found a bad bolt here that he said he thinks the nut on the top is spinning. The problem with it is it's kind of like hidden up in the bottom of the tub, and that was why I wasn't using like an impact gun on any of these. I didn't want to hit it with impact and like twist those nuts off.
Cowards do that, and that ain't you! You're better than that!
So this one might be bad, but I think all we'll do is we'll just get the Sawzall and cut the bolt off from the top between the body mount and the tub. So it won't be a big issue, but it's just kind of annoying. And yeah.
Always twisting nuts, you know?
That's right. So the other piece, while he's working on getting that bolt out from over there, is the guy I bought it from went ahead and welded these rock rails on, or rock sliders, or whatever you want to call them, which I'm super glad. I think they're going to work great. I actually mimicked it on the other side already, and I'll do a full episode on the rock rails because I did have a couple guys asking about how I'm going to design them, how they're going to be mounted, all that stuff. So I'll do a video on that. But what this guy did is he actually tacked the body onto the rock rail here in a few places, and I don't want to try to get this thing lifted up and then it'd be stuck. So I'm going to go ahead and use the grinding wheel and get those cut off real quick. We're good. Now once we have enough guys, we should be fine.
You know what would make this a lot easier? If this was running, then we could just roll your whole Jeep over, find a hill, it'll go right on the trailer.
Why didn't you just get it running first?
Oh yeah, I don't know. Gosh, I'm so stupid. What was I thinking? So now we just gotta wait for the, 2 or 3 or however many other guys we have coming. I can't remember who's actually gonna make it, but just wait for them. I guess 7:30 on a Saturday morning was too early for them, so. Oh well, we'll just wait.
One eternity later.
All right, so now that I've got everybody here, we've assembled a great team. Let me give you those introductions. Tyler Meddy, Burfield Replacement University.
Jared Meddy, coming from your mama's garage.
Bobby Moore, 3-meter triangle university, online.
Camden Cola, University of South Florida, Colorado State.
All right, give us the game plan.
All right, so the game plan is 2 of us on this side, 2 of us on this side, and we're just gonna walk it back and try to set it on these 2 4x4s.
Can we grab from anywhere? Like, is
Yeah,
all
that's
be
fine.
safe?
I mean, just if it starts like getting real crazy, let's just
It
pick
doesn't
somewhere
like, if
else.
it's like windy or like not sturdy, I'll dump grab there and find something else to grab.
Yeah, just kind of grab whatever feels right and try
That's
not
your
to.
ability.
Just try not
A lot of it's
to
gonna be bendy.
try not to mess up the body more than you have to, because then that just means I gotta fix it later. So the more in one piece we can do, the better. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. All right, so lay down. We got the way heavier side. Hey, listen, I said before we started I was gonna put the 2 strongest guys on the front.
Yes.
1, 2, go.
I broke my back, spinal.
You know,
So-
we went nerd mode.
Just make sure that we don't hit the windshield on the
On the garage.
garage. Yeah.
Oh, we should be fine.
Let me see if I can pick this up first too.
Oh, we should be fine.
How do you slow down?
Useless. Good. We're on the front of the wood.
That was fun.
Yeah.
Everyone's limbs are intact.
We're all together. Well, so today I assembled the greatest team of all time. You've seen them in action. So grateful that they were able to come. I think we found the 4 strongest guys in the whole state of Oklahoma to get this thing done. But it is on the trailer and we are good to go. So I hope you enjoyed the video. In the next videos, I'll be talking about next steps, what's going on with the frame, all of the things that are gonna get me closer to get this thing on the road. So hope you enjoyed.
Yeah, I've been playing around with like those pendulum squats. Those are sick.
I got a lot more to do than I thought I did,
Yeah,
but
that's a solid
it's
one. I
fine.
went to the one
It'll be
in Yukon,
good.
It wasn't super. I went there twice.
It's
One
worth
time
it.
It was like empty and it's like, what the
Lots
hell?
of
The next time it was
surface
busy.
rust.